Hello guys, this is Aryan, and in this video I will be sharing 10 sentences about the forest. Number 1. A forest is a big group of trees. Number 2. Forests are fun to visit. Number 3. They help keep our planet healthy. Number 4. Forests have different kinds of trees. Number 5. Trees make the air clean. Number 6. People use wood from forest. Number 7. You can find peace in the forest. Number 8. Animals live in the forest. Number 9. Scientists learn a lot from studying forests. Number 10. We need to protect forests. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and stay tuned. Thank you.